Ow, 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 ow. I really have to pee. I'm so desperate. I need to use the bathroom so bad. Oh, hello, it's me, Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the peeing sound effect from Gacha Omorashi, Nekunia. It's from a video called Gacha Omorashi, The Jealous Boy, Part 1, Gacha Life. It was uploaded on October 5th, 2022, which is 2 years ago. 025 to 041. The rock music will be removed at the beginning and end. Now I will show you this sound effect. It sounds like this. See? This is how the peeing sound effect from Gacha Omorashi Nekunia sounds like. I have to rush to the bathroom and test it, because I can't hold it in anymore. Oh yeah, that feels so nice. This sound effect is 16 seconds long. Remember kids, if you need to pee, just use Gacha Omorashi, Nekunia's peeing sound effect. It starts at 25 and ends at 41.